Today, we're gonna be building a welding cart, completely out of scrap metal, off-road capability, so I can drag this thing around. I'm tired of this cheapo one I bought offline. It like bent in half, about lost my welder, and I can't be losing that thing. I got a lot of projects got to get done. First, got to find all the supplies. It's probably gonna take me longer to find everything than just actually build this welding cart. So stay tuned. Help me, help me. I would pick the day after heavy deadlifts. If you lift, you know what I'm saying. My lower back doesn't appreciate me today. Oh, those are heavy. Can't have enough milk crates. Oh, there's that scooter my kids were looking for. Like just yesterday. No, already? There's one. There we go. Casters. Oh, that's a classique right there. That's my toy. Oh, it's my old dump truck, man. The super dumper. Ah, is that them? Right there. There we go. Oh, I knew they were around here somewhere. Now the main scrap metal piece, I believe we can see it sticking up out of the snow. The camera. Ah, look at that gem. All right, we got that bad boy out. Now I just got to get it to where the snow clears so I can work on it. Breakfast. I think it's like -10 today. Not terrible. Could be better. Could be 70. I'm just kidding. I would hate that. Sweating. I'm a sweater. Ugh. Now, if I'm working in the cold outside, a couple of things. I want sunlight most of the day. Makes it a little bit more bearable. And of course, close to the house. That way you can go inside. You can get warmed up. Oh, I forgot a tool. Oh, this needs that. Whatever. Makes it a lot nicer. It's the little things. Of course, we're going to need a portable workbench. I don't have a welding table. We'll just grab a folding table here and we'll have to put a little fireproofing on that bad boy. That's the old welding cart. She's not doing too well. Anyway, I got my Jansik welder. We'll set it up right here on the table. I like this little welder. This thing's nice because it's 220, 110. It welds up to 3/8 steel. You can do MIG, stick, and it also has a spool for doing aluminum. And it's an inverted welder, so you can run it on a generator. Now it's a welding table. All right, I'm gonna take apart the old welding cart because I don't have a lot of flat steel. Short time frame. We got a hockey end of the season hockey party. I got all our tools and everything set up. Let's get to work. Do it. All right, I'm gonna reuse a lot of pieces and parts off of this old girl. All right. That's the top piece. I want to use this piece for the top. It was the back. This is what held the bottle, but this one right here would fit good because it doesn't have an opening, so the welder sitting here and the leads can come out without like hitting on anything. This one might still be able to be the bottom. We'll also have to straighten it up a little bit, but this will give us our length for our casters. You guys see all the red poles? Common red pole right there. This is our length reference. Although I think I want these to stick out the full width. And I could use them as tool holders, and then the back one I can notch out and use it to hold that battle right there. We're just doing it on the fly. Let's see what we got here. It's an odd size. We're gonna say that's 30 inches. I'm gonna use this C channel for the bottom right here. That piece right there. So I'll have to get that one cut. Oh yeah, right at 30. Perfect. What's up, bud? I need a pin. You got a pin?
There's one on that.
On what? No, not a pin. You're so funny. Not a cotter pin. I need a writing pin. Oh, I got my paint pen right here. Right there.
Dad, I would test it first.
Can you give me that speed square? It's a beautiful day, huh?
Yeah.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Nice work. Alright, 9.5. We ain't building the Taj Mahal here, so we're not going to worry too much about it. See, if you had a perfectly flat welding table, you could just lay this thing down. If I can get this one to sit right.
I think the welding card is working out good.
Think so?
That looks pretty good. You doing any more welding?
Oh yeah.
Drifting.
Drifting, you think it'll work?
Yes.
See how our tray fits on here. Oh, like a glove.
A pickaxe.
Nice. I want this forward a little bit. The bottle to go in here. I do this out here like that.
I think that might work.
You think so? On all four corners. Then we could have it come up. Our welder is at. And then we need a handle. Eight.
Why is there just a wheel? Mine. Well, that was easy.
Pretty easy. All right, I gotta do a bunch of grinding. It's gonna get loud. I got you good over there.
Okay.
All right. I'm not wearing these sunglasses for fashion. These are actually ANSI 87 rated, and these are my wife's, and I couldn't find any safety glasses. So if you've ever had an ophthalmologist take a piece of metal out of your eye, you know what I'm talking about. I think 16 inches. All right, we got our back uprights on there. So now I'm gonna use some of these self tappers. I'm gonna screw this bottom piece in to the bottom using those, just quick and easy. Now, is this thing gonna reach? That's the next question. Oh yeah. Yeah, Bubba. Yeah, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. Bubba. All right. Need a drill bit. Right. So now plug this thing down. All right. Pretty solid. Oh, I'm gonna put my line holder back on. All right, eventually I'll probably put a bar across the backside, weld it on the bottom to hold that top plate on, but I'm in a pinch right now. We gotta get going to that end of the year hockey thing. I'm trying to get this done so I can get this pushed into Shelter Logic. Huh? To bust out the old catalytic converter special. This is what the tweakers use to steal your catalytic converter while you're sleeping. Alright, let's see if this fits better. Nice. Nice, nice. Let's get this thing strapped down. Quit wasting time here. That ain't going nowhere. Need to make a handle for the front. All right, the welding cart is finished. I need that thing so I can get my wife's wagon fixed so I can move around some other things we got to do, like our undersized wood stove we're upgrading in our house. It's going to go out here to the cabin. We got greenhouse projects we got to do. It doesn't look like it, but we're already doing starters. If you like this one, like, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.